In this video, we are going to see how to reselect a previous selected object. So this is how to do it. For example, I am selecting these objects and accidentally I press escape and I forget the selection, or I deselect the selection. So if you have selected so many objects, and it will be a pain to select them back again. So in that case, what you have to do is type select on your command bar. Then instead of selecting objects, type P and press enter. Then it will select the last selection automatically. Once you press enter, they will be get selected. So this will be a easy way if you accidentally deselect the stuff uh, when you are selecting so many objects. So this would be a easy way to uh, get the deselected objects back again without much fuss.